Hello, wonderful people. Just picture this. You just finished posting that your video here on YouTube, and what is the first thing you do? Is copy the link and start sharing everywhere so that you can start getting views for that your particular video. Don't rush, just hold on. In today's video, we are going to dive in reason why you need to rethink that your strategy. When you post your video, YouTube algorithm behind you they start working, recommending that your video to from fewer audience to larger audience to see what they have to say about that. But immediately you finish posting that your video and you start sharing the link outside, those people that are coming from maybe your WhatsApp, maybe your friends and family, they are coming from your WhatsApp, your Facebook, and all those things. They are just coming here to support you. They are not going to watch the video from beginning to the end. They may just enter the video, watch maybe 2 minutes, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, like, comment, and leave. And that is harming your channel. The more people watch your video from beginning to the end or from beginning to the middle, YouTube is going to alert YouTube algorithm that people your video actually have value, and YouTube will start recommending it to more audience. But when immediately you just post and you share your video, other people come and just like and comment and leave without watching it half of the video or maybe 30 seconds of the video. In YouTube mind, they will think, oh, this video does not have value. That is why people are not watching it from beginning to the end. And they will stop recommending that video. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you to show you the video that I shared the link and the video that I did not share the link, for you to compare the way YouTube recommend that video, the impression, the way YouTube recommend that video to larger audience, and the way YouTube recommend the video that I did not share the link. So let's just head into my YouTube studio. Okay, this is my YouTube. Okay, okay, this is my YouTube studio. I will go to content, view all. So let's go to the one that I shared the link to see how YouTube recommend that video. This particular video, six things you need to know. When I posted it, immediately I shared the link. I think I waited after 1 hour and I started sharing the link. So let's just go there. Go to reach. Impression 204. That is like total number of people that YouTube showed that particular video to. Total number of people that YouTube showed that particular video to, and I got 32 views from it. Let's go to another one that I shared the link. YouTube demonetization. Reach. Impression 244. 244. I shared this link. So let's go to the video that I did not share the link to know the impression that, like, number of people that YouTube recommends that video to. How to add cards and end screen. This is from this video I stopped sharing my link when I found out this secret. See, I got 100 views without sharing my link. You can see the one I shared my link, I got 32. I got 50 something, not up to 100. So let's go to the reach. Impression 2000, 2001. You can see how YouTube recommends this video because, okay, as they are recommending this video gradually, some people are watching it from beginning to end. Some people are watching it. YouTube will say, okay, at least this video has a little value. They'll keep sharing to more audience. So just let's go to another one. This one, 53. I did not share the link. I've stopped sharing my link by this time. 53 views without sharing the link. Impression 1K. YouTube showed my video to 1,000 people. Let's go to another one. I think this is the final one. I got 67 views. How much YouTube pay me for low views? Let's go to reach 623. You can see this is one of the reasons why you need to stop sharing your videos, because as you are sharing your link to your videos, you are harming your channel. If the people that watch your video are from outside more than the one that YouTube recommend, YouTube will stop recommending your videos. So you need to stop sharing your video link whenever you post. This is killing your channel. Actually, it is. So just let YouTube do their work. Just make sure whenever you post, you put the necessary settings, you own the necessary settings, you put hashtag, put tags, put necessary SEO that is relating to your videos. Maybe you put video like how to add cards and end screen to your video. In your tags, you can just put how to add tags, how to add SEO. Add, just make sure like the keywords, your title contain keywords, your description contain keywords, everything contain keywords. Then you go on and on the necessary settings, so that YouTube will work for you, so that YouTube will recommend that your video, so that whenever someone search about that particular topic you talked about, YouTube will recommend that your video to that person. So stop sharing your link. Stop sharing your link. The only people I can say okay they can share their link whenever their subscribers see, they will surely watch and it's still going to help them is popular YouTubers now. And some of them don't even need to share their link. They just need to take that their thumbnail and put in their social media. And people will come and watch it because they're already popular. People already know them for what they do. But as a new YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, you need to stop this. You need to stop this. When I realized this, I stopped it and it has actually been working for me. YouTube have actually been recommending my video from time to time. Those same people that YouTube have showed my old video to, YouTube will still show them my new videos. And if they continue see it every day, one day they'll surely want to click on it and watch. So you need to stop doing this. And we have come to the end of today's video. If you know you learned one or two things from today's video, please do well to like the video, comment on the video, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have any question at all, you can just write it in the comment section. I am going to reply you. Bye. See you all in my next video.